Hello, I am using the new Google Gemini Flow tool. I just reused this prompt. Right now, you can't upload any images, but it lets you create images just like the Gemini. I don't know what I'm saying, but here we go. I'm going to use this image. You can blend it with this image. So let's see. That's the first frame. Want to generate this image again. Have the duck go on a kid-friendly adventure. So each time it generates 4 images, which is a little bit different because Gemini just creates one at a time for you. So now it's gonna go, you can pick through what it's gonna go. Kind of like this one. So let's use this image. So here's the first image, which it's a little ducky in its home pond, and it's going on a kid-friendly adventure. And then now you have to generate a video with text and frame. The duck is happily going on a kid-friendly adventure to start their day. Okay, very simple. Let's expand on it after we take a look what it looks like. So it does take some time to generate. And I'll just say this is available to me now because I'm on the subscription for Pro. I don't think it's available to free users, so that's something you want to consider. I don't have a lot of subscribers here, so I don't know. Maybe if I hit 100 subscribers, I actually have a 4-month free coupon, but it's only for 4 people. So comment if you would like this coupon code to use Gemini Pro for 4 months for free, essentially. I think you can. Okay, let's see. There's 2 scenes, so let's check this out. Okay, oh, it just kind of blends through. All right, gets a hat on, puts his hat. It's pretty funny. Now this is another version. Let's see, does have this there? That's another version. It looks like a little slower. Oh, his hat just flies in. Yeah, all right. So that's pretty smooth. I like it. I actually like the second one more. And then now I can add a scene. Let's see. Oh, so this part is just like the demo where it's similar to any video editing software, except now you're doing it all through prompts. Similarly, with VO2, it only generates 8 images at a time, but now you can just arrange them together. And assuming you get the same character, and you can add what else they're doing. So if I click plus, it says jump to or extend. So let's extend this. That's going to make it longer. This happens and then extended shot. So we need to prompt it on what it's extending. So the duck is going from its home pond to the sidewalk to the walking path with their friends. Let's see if that works out. And I normally would try using a Gemini. I actually have a gem to help me prompt better. And you can use different tools to help you like describe your prompts better. But I'm just going to keep it simple and ad hoc for this video. So it does take some time to generate. I'm going to just show you how long this takes live. You can always fast forward this video or skip forward if you like. But this is the real time length on which what I just prompted, and for it to do extended scenes. Okay, so now we have this part and this part. So now we can go play the whole thing. Let's see what it looks like. So I thought I was going to extend the clip, but it actually, oh, it did. Okay, now it just continues the clip. So it's pretty smooth. It just starts with that clip and then it goes on to the next thing. So you can't make it longer. You can only shorten the video for each clip. And note that each clip is about 8 seconds. Yeah, both clips about 15. So now if I want to save frame as asset. Okay, so now you can actually save different keyframes and then arrange them later on in the future to create a story. So I like this duck. It's going on a story. I do want to make a video for my daughter to watch. That's kind of slow and not like overstimulating, but she does like ducks. So we'll continue on with the story one more time. The duck is exploring the city and it's going on the bus. So it's kind of like wheels on the bus. Oh, I need to add a frame. So I'm going to copy this. And always remember to maybe copy your prompts so you don't forget it. Going on the bus. So text image. I'm going to create this image. It does have all of these images that you've generated before. I think what's nice about this tool right now, it does give you 4 options. And so it's not just one option. Let's see. Well, that's a little scary. I don't know why. So here's where things go a little wrong. Because I just said any duck, and then now the duck has transformed into like a human hands, and it didn't keep with this same duck, which is problematic. So let's see. Prompts per output. Oh, you can actually change. 4 is good. I like 4. So I don't like this. It's giving me a different image of this duck. This is what this is what happens in VO when you try to prompt different videos. It doesn't keep the character consistent. And so I think the best thing for this video, if you want to keep the character the same, you'd have to, let's jump to, okay. So let's say extend. So I want to extend it. And so I'm going to copy the same prompt. Call it Ducky, exploring the city and going on the bus to visit their friend. All right. I don't think that's necessary. Additional description on what it's doing for an 8-second video, but let's see what comes out of it. And again, the video generation does take a little while. It's actually pretty good. It's like, you know, rendering real time and creating the images and all the frames. So it's actually pretty quick, and obviously things will just get quicker, hopefully in the future. And maybe it'll get even quicker when it's like retaining some memory or something like that. So yeah, I like the tool. So far it's pretty fun, and I'll stop the video here because I don't want to make it too long, and most of the video is just waiting it to render. So let's just continue on. Oh, it just transformed into a bus. So yeah, you would have to give more details on the transitions, I believe. And once you give it more details, it will transition better instead of just appearing out of nowhere because it's only 8 seconds. But you know, that's what happens. But this is pretty smooth. It is better than the VO2 video like sequences that I've generated in the past. So all right, follow for more. I'll do some more Notion tutorials later on, but this tool just dropped, so I'm gonna share it now.